So Apple announced the new iPhone SE 2020 and you guys might have seen other videos on YouTube before watching this video. But what you might not have seen, maybe a YouTuber telling the viewers not to buy the new iPhone SE 2020. And there is also a reason for that. But before we talk about that reason, let's see the specs of the new iPhone SE 2020. So the iPhone SE comes in 3 color variants. They are red, black and white. It has an aluminum and glass body with a 4.7-inch retina display. Apple brought the Touch ID back in the new iPhone SE. So you'll see that it has large bezels and there is also a physical home button on it. Moving to the camera, on the rear side, it has a 12 megapixel wide angle camera and on the front side, it has a 7 megapixel camera. Apple also added a A13 bionic chip in the new iPhone SE, which is shown in the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. Coming back to the reason why you shouldn't buy the new iPhone SE if you're from India, it is because of its price. In US, the new iPhone SE costs about $300, that is 31,000 Indian rupees. But in India, the price of the new iPhone SE is 43,000 Indian rupees. I mean that's 13,000 rupees extra than the price of the new iPhone SE in US. With that extra money, you could buy a Samsung Galaxy M30, Xiaomi 4K action camera, smartphone cases and a lot more other tech stuff. If you buy the new iPhone SE, I will say that it will be a huge mistake and after some time, you will feel guilty for wasting a lot of money. Instead of buying the new iPhone SE, I would suggest you to buy iPhone XR. It costs about 48,000 rupees. That's just 6,000 rupees more than the price of the new iPhone SE in India. 6,000 rupees may be a huge amount, but it's way better than spending 13,000 rupees extra for the new iPhone SE in India. Compared to the new iPhone SE, iPhone XR has a larger display, better battery, thinner bezels, and a Face ID. If anyone who is watching this video is thinking I'm a hater of Apple because I'm complaining about the iPhone SE, that's not true. The iPhone SE is a great phone, and Apple did a great job by making a phone that is affordable for most of the people. But I'm just saying that in India, the iPhone SE is just overpriced. In short, I'm telling you guys that if you're in India, instead of buying the new iPhone SE, you should go for the new iPhone XR. What's your thought about the new iPhone SE? Is it good or is it bad? And if you had money, would you buy it? Tell me in the comments. So that's it for this video guys. If you found this video informative, make sure you click that like button. And if you want to get more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Akshaj Tips signing off.